Hey guys, today we have the Xiaomi Mix 3 limited edition unboxing. Now according to the official introduction, the Mix 3 color of the special edition of the Forbidden City is inspired by the three top-grade glaze enamel glazes of Ming Xuande. The indigo glaze is also called sapphire blue glaze. The blue is precious like a jewel. It is called the national treasure of ceramics. In addition, inside the box, Xiaomi Mix 3 Palace Special Edition also presented wireless charger, mobile phone protective case, the special edition of the Forbidden City Special 3-year Internet traffic card, 24K gold foil gold bronze statue, National Treasure color art folding, the Palace Special Edition now. Now the specification: Xiaomi Mix 3 Palace Special Edition with 6.39-inch Samsung AMOLED display, resolution of 2340x1080, screen aspect ratio of 19.5:9, equipped with Qualcomm Xiaolong 845 processor, equipped with 10GB RAM plus 256GB memory. In camera department, the camera on front 24MP plus 2MP soft light double camera, rear 12MP wide angle plus 12MP telephoto double camera, battery capacity is 3200 mAh. That's all, thanks for watching and subscribe.